What's up everyone? Welcome to the first ever Finance Couch brought to you by PerFinEx, the #1 English speaking and independent financial planner in Germany. This is the start of a series with short videos of me sitting on a couch giving you my humble opinion on financial questions random people post on the internet. That's why we decided to call it Finance Couch, you know? The first video starts with a bang already. I'm loving that new format. We have someone that posted on our finanzen on Reddit. You should see the original post on the screen. I came with patience, know-how and the right spirit. Starting strong. I like it. But I can already see the most upvoted comment from Shaved Gorilla. I can see neither patience nor know-how. Oh Reddit, I love you so much. To me, it seems like a beginner that started investing about 9 months ago. You had the balls to invest. I like it. You didn't just talk the talk, you actually walked the walk. What I don't like so much is how you approach the whole investing topic by choosing the most hyped investments out there without any recognizable strategy. I mean, Terra Luna minus 100%, Palantir minus 71%, Coinbase minus 69%. 69. So I like that you started investing. Props for that. What I don't like so much is the way that you did it. Because what will most likely happen is that you will cut your losses now with about 80% in the minus and never ever invest ever again your entire life, because investing is a gamble or a dumb idea. And what I don't like at all is that you seem to think that everybody else is wrong and you have done everything perfectly. You brought patience and know-how. Every expert would have agreed with you, and you talk to people saying that this wasn't the real crash yet. Listen, my friend, here's the shortest and most valuable stock market history lesson of your entire life. The stock market is down by about 20% now. That's what happened in 1987 in one single day. An event that we remember as Black Monday. COVID crash in 2020, minus 34%. Global financial crisis in 2008, minus 57%. Dot-com bubble in 2000, minus 77%. That's when the entire stock market was down by 77%, and not just your personal portfolio, Callisto 99. And the worst crash is the Great Depression of 1929 with a decline of 89% that took the stock market 25 years to recover. Those are real crashes. Look, Callisto 99. You're probably born in 1999, so you're very young and have time to recover from your first investing tries that didn't go as planned. Just don't repeat your mistakes and start investing the right way. Think of your goals. Why are you investing in the first place? How long do you plan to invest? The more time you have, the riskier you can invest. Speaking about risk, this is where you can probably improve the most. You wanted a 5x. I get it. I want a 5x as well. Everybody wants a 5x. But you have to bear a tremendous amount of risk if you want a 5x. Especially if you want it fast. Those are 3 quick investing tips. And if you're looking to deep dive, here's our Investing in Germany playlist with lots of helpful videos on investing strategy. And here's the latest video of our community investing. Once you realize you don't have the patience, the know-how or the right spirit to invest just yet, maybe it's a good idea to let someone else handle the investing for you. Callisto, I hope you can recover from this financially and mentally. And if you guys like the first episode of Finance Couch, feel free to give this video a thumbs up and let me know in the comments if you would like to see more episodes like this. Take care, guys.